Why your brain treats rejection like physical pain. Somewhere, right now, someone is being ignored. A text left unread, a friend who didn't invite them, a look that passed right through them like they weren't even there. And their brain is in pain. Not emotional pain, not in their head, real, physical pain. Scientists scanned the brains of people being socially rejected, and what they found should terrify you. The same region that lights up when you break a bone lights up when someone simply ignores you. In the early 2000s, researchers ran a strange experiment. They had people play a simple ball-tossing game while lying inside a brain scanner. At some point, the other players stopped passing the ball. No insults, no conflict, just exclusion. And the brain scans showed something scientists didn't expect. The anterior cingulate cortex, the same region activated by physical injury, lit up like the person had been struck. Being ignored didn't just feel bad. It registered in the brain as actual pain. This seems cruel, but it's not a flaw. It's a survival mechanism thousands of years old. For early humans, being part of a group wasn't a preference. It was survival. Alone, you couldn't hunt, couldn't defend yourself, couldn't raise children safely. Isolation meant death. So the brain developed an alarm system, pain, to make sure you never ignored the threat of being left behind. The same way physical pain stops you from touching fire, social pain stops you from drifting away from the tribe. Here's the problem. Your brain hasn't updated since then. It still treats a group chat that excludes you the same way it would treat being left outside the cave in winter. Logically, you know being unfollowed on Instagram isn't life-threatening, but your brain doesn't process it logically. It processes it as danger. That's why rejection doesn't just feel sad. It feels like an emergency. Your heart rate changes. Your stomach tightens. Some people describe it as a physical ache in their chest, because to your nervous system, it is one. Scientists went further. In follow-up studies, they gave participants paracetamol, a regular painkiller, before a rejection experiment. The result was bizarre. People who took the painkiller reported less emotional pain from being excluded. A pill made for headaches softened the pain of rejection. If a physical painkiller can dull social pain, how different are the two, really? This explains something most people never understood about themselves: why a single unanswered message can ruin your entire day. Why being left out of something small can hurt more than it should. You're not weak. You're not overreacting, you're human, and your brain is doing exactly what it was built to do. The pain you feel when ignored isn't imaginary, it's ancient, it's biological. It's wired into the same system that once kept your ancestors alive. Maybe the next time someone makes you feel invisible, remember this isn't weakness. It's thousands of years of survival instinct firing exactly as designed. Your brain isn't broken. It's just still trying to protect you from a danger that no longer exists the way it used to. The pain is real, but so is your ability to understand it. And that changes everything.